In this video, we are going to talk about the size of a window in your wall and how it affects the insulation properties. And the reason why I'm making this video is because I saw another video where someone was trying to explain how 4 different types of insulation in a wall works. So let's go ahead and get started. And I just simply selected a 30-foot long wall that was going to be 8 foot tall and have a 6 foot tall window that is going to be 8 foot wide. And I would also like to point out that I'm using R13 insulation in the walls, and it would be your standard 2x4 framing, 16 inches on center. And by installing a 48 square foot window, it's going to drop our insulation rating down from R13 to approximately R7.8. And even though the window takes up only 20% of the wall, it will end up reducing the total wall's insulating power by roughly 40%. And that's a lot. And I will let you finish up the video here by reading some of this information and doing your own math calculations. Now, if you do need me to help you through this calculation, you want me to make another video, I will be glad to. And the main reason why I made this video was just to make people aware of just exactly how much a window can reduce the R value or transfer heat either into your house or out of your house, because they usually have such a low R value. And thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, let us know by hitting the thumbs up button or letting us know in the comment area.